Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OGEN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on, Tuesday. No, today's Tuesday. I did it on Monday. Oh, it's only Tuesday. Long way to go till Friday, but I'll survive. So that's where the red and green line here are coming from. And yeah, today there's no point in really beating around the bush. It was basically a train wreck type day. Now, this does, depend a lot on perspective. What do I mean by that? Well, if you were buying yesterday morning down around this area, then you're still plenty in the green. But if you're buying up around this area, then yeah, it was just a total train wreck as this thing gapped up and made an upwards move. And then from there, the price just continued to plummet to the downside. So like I said, there is just a lot of perspective that goes into it. And we'll see, how things play out. But as far as the big picture is concerned, the price does still have a chance, which may sound crazy given the pullback. But what do I mean by the price still has a chance? Well, the price is still up above 50 cents, which is this green line here that came from yesterday's video on Monday. So just to really illustrate this, let's say that the price actually comes down here like it did here, and history repeats itself. So it's already bounced off there from today, and then you look back there on Monday. So it goes on there again, behaves like that, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this, in this situation? Again, emphasis on big picture. Well, from the big picture, you'd still have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, then big picture wise, you'd still very clearly have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying that phrase progress as 50 cents. Again, I'm well aware that if you're some sort of day trader and you bought, up there or right there, and your plan was to buy and sell within 10 minutes, then you definitely don't care about 50 cents. So these comments are definitely being made from more so the grand scheme of things type viewpoint. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, still got to keep an eye up here right around the 57-ish area. But as of right now, at least in my opinion, top priority is not breaking levels of resistance or anything like that. Top priority is just trying to stabilize out and not break down through 50. Because if the price goes back below 50, then that's literally putting it right back into this range of the chart. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power or anything like that. So we'll see what happens with it, but a lot of eyeballs are going to be watching that 50 cent mark. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.